Viewers, we have performed all 4 major rituals on the 10th day of Zulhijjah, and after that it is mandatory to spend 3 nights of 11th, 12th and 13th days of Zulhijjah in Mina. After taking off Ihram, we will spend 3 nights in Mina. Pilgrims can leave on 12th Zulhijjah if they want, as this is proof from Hadith. In these 3 days, we will do Rami, hit all 3 devils, Jamra Ula, Jamra Wusta and Jamra Uqba with stones after sunset. The method of Rami in Ayyam Tashriq is just like we followed on 10th Zulhijjah. First, we will start Rami from Jamra Ula, then Jamra Wusta, and in the last Jamra Uqba will be thrown upon 7 stones. There is a dua said after hitting first and second devil, but after hitting Jamra Uqba, no any prayer is said. You will repeat this all 3 days. Since you will not do anything else, it is recommended to offer supplications, say prayers, and perform as much prayers as you can in these 3 days. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said, Ayyam Tashriq are the days of worshipping and eating and drinking in abundance. This is proved from Hadith number 1141 of Sahih Muslim.